Hello guys, welcome to Roro's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making plantain. As you can see, we are going to be needing 4 ripe plantain. So after bringing out, make sure your plantain is well washed. So we are going to be peeling out the skin of the plantain. So after peeling it, we are going to be peeling it and we are going to be slicing it along. So after peeling it, the next thing we are going to do is to slice it a bit light, just the way I'm slicing it like this. Then after that, we'll proceed to the second one. Then we are going to peel out the skin and slice. Just peel and slice along, no time to waste. Then the next thing, after slicing it, the next thing we are going to do, they are going to repeat the same process until you are done with the whole plantain. So go in with salt. After adding the salt, then the next thing you are going to do is to mix the salt and the plantain together. Make sure they are well mixed and combined together. Then the next thing you have to do is to set it aside after mixing it thoroughly. Then you set it aside, you bring out your baking pan. You are going to go in with cheese, line cheese down on your baking pan, just the way you see me doing it, because you want the plantain to lap with the cheese so that it can be able to fold for you. Then after that, we are going to bring out the plantain and we are going to line the plantain down just like this. Just keep lying them down and make sure they are stick together when you are lying there in your baking pan. Make sure they are well wrapped together so that it can be easy for you to roll while you are loading it. So guys, if today is your first time on watching my video or coming across my video on YouTube, please, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, like, and also drop your comment. I love to read your comment so that I can be able to give you a hug in my next video. Please, if you are watching this video to this extent, I beg you to subscribe. So guys, after that, after laying them down, you are going to go in with groundnut oil on top. Then the next thing you are going to do is to go in with some chips on top of the plantain. So after adding the cheese, just add the cheese thoroughly. After adding the cheese, then the next thing you are going to do is to put it in your oven and allow it to bake on our own. We are not going to be frying this plantain, we are going to be baking it. So we are going to be proceeding to making the cream. We are going to use and eat the plantain. So I go in with 1 spoon of butter, then I go in with half cup of flour. It's not even many because I don't want the cream to many so that we will not waste it. So I have to do it. If it may, we can use it to bake another thing. So I mix the flour and the butter. Then I go in with the milk. Just mix the milk thoroughly. Make sure the milk is well mixed, combined with the flour, and your cream is ready. It's not hard. Making your homemade cream is not hard. If you have butter and flour, your cream is ready. Or you can actually use milk to make your milk and it's ready to use. So mix it thoroughly until all the whole milk they are well dissolved. Go in with some cinnamon powder and some nutmeg and go in with a pinch of salt and your cream is ready. This cream tastes so amazing. You see, when you add salt and cinnamon powder into your milk or black or nutmeg, your cream is amazing. So the next thing, as you can see, is well thick enough. I'm going to bring it down. As you can see now, our cream is ready. So perfect, so easy, and it was so simple. So transfer it into your plate and keep it and allow it to rest just like this. Just simple, and this plantain was so amazing. So I'm going to set it aside, keep it, and allow it to rest. Now we are going to be going back to our plantain to go and check our plantain. So the plantain was baked front and back. So when I finish the front one, I have to flip it so that I can be able to bake the other side. So it was baked front and back. So the next thing, I allow it to cool a bit. So I'm going to go in with that cream that I make. I'm going to go in with the cream. After going with the cream, then the next thing I'm going to do, you have to make sure that you arrange the cream thoroughly. Make sure the cream is well arranged, nice and okay, just the way you are seeing me doing it in this video. You don't want to splash the cream all over the plantain, so you want it to stick at one place so that you can be able to go in with your already prepared meat. So this meat, will prepare it off camera. So the next thing we are going to do is to add the meat thoroughly. Make sure the meat is well add the meat is well add. So we are going to be rolling the plantain, guys. This plantain roll was so duper super amazing. I hope you are going to try this plantain roll. Your kids will love it, and you will try it again and again. So that is why I always say, please always drop your comment so that I can be able to know what you guys think about my video or my food or my recipe. So as you can see, we are finished folding it. You are going to go in with top it up with cheese again. Then after adding the cheese, we are going to put it in the oven and allow it to bake for just a couple of minutes, and our plantain roll is ready. So what we have to do now is to check our plantain roll if it's well baked inside and outside. As you can see, we are going to be opening the inside so that you guys can see this plantain roll was so easy to make, and it was so amazing. When you try this plantain roll, you are going to love it, and you are not going to regret it while trying this plantain roll. So what you have to do for me now is to subscribe, like, and come, let's eat together. So we are going to be testing this plantain roll. Guys, you see the meat and the cream and the plantain, it was so juicy. It was so amazing. When you try this plantain roll, you are not going to regret it. So guys, enjoy with us, eat with us. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't also forget to drop your comment. As you can see, I was enjoying this my plantain roll, and I was even hitting my hand at the table. Remain blessed. Bye.